First, inspect the packaging for integrity. Open the 12 bottom latches one by one. Lift off the case. Remove all accessories. Unscrew the 4 fixing bolts on the edger. Then lift the edger onto the dedicated table. Take off the dust cover. Unscrew the protective rod screws and remove the protective rod. Connect the power cord and solenoid valve cable. Install the water inlet hoses by matching the color-coded connectors. On the solenoid valve, attach the water inlet pipe. Install the drainage pipe and connect its other end to the water outlet port of the equipment. Unscrew the retaining clip inside the processing chamber. Turn on the power. The shaft will rise. Remove the protective foam and the retaining clip. Remove the protective foam from the scanning area.